Namaste to all. A very, very good morning. Shri Chauhan ji, Shri Balasubramaniam ji, Ehsan Nurani ji, eminent artists, friends, family, and प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सबको सप्रेम नमस्कार. It's the little steps that you take every day that lead to big things. You saw it in their journey just now, and I'm going to recap a little more of it right here for you. So Roots to Roots began in 2004, and it was mainly with on-ground events to promote art and culture. And I also remember the initial years when Didi would make sure that I would be invited and I would attend the performances, cold winter evenings in Delhi, the Qawwali, the Shairi, the Sher-o Shairi, the Ghazal programs. There was music, dance, culinary events. And then Didi also filled me in. She told me that they did film and theater festivals. There was even art exhibitions. And then just a few years later, you added on and you started student exchange programs. Again, there I have a little memory because again, there I was roped in by Tina Didi as my sister, my elder sister. And yes, she orders me and I turn up. So there I got involved in the student exchange programs where children were taken for a few weeks to a new country to experience a new home, a new life, a new culture. And then a few years later, you added Virsa, the online lessons for schools in remote areas. And the part that I find most fascinating about it is that you had eminent artists, stalwarts in their fields, in the performing arts, giving lessons to children in schools so far away. Think about it, ये privilege हमें बड़े-बड़े शहरों में बड़े-बड़े schools में भी नहीं मिलता. Where do you have Rakesh Chaurasia ji teaching the Bansuri to children in the biggest school in Mumbai? Doesn't happen. But it was available to the children all the way through Virsa. And then, well, the years have flown, the numbers have grown, and today, apparently, there are more than 22,000 schools and colleges reached through their program. And they have students. बहुत बड़ा number है 22,000 and students in more than 65 countries. Imagine this. At this moment, there could be a little girl in Uzbekistan learning Bharatnatyam, or in Kazakhstan learning Kathak. Quite amazing. You've grown strength to strength, and today, wow. The listing at the National Stock Exchange, a big landmark event, and I'm very happy, proud and privileged to be here. भाई National Stock Exchange का नाम तो सुना था, आज तो दर्शन भी हो गए. Thank you. Thanks to Roots. So I wish you many, many such great successes in the years to come. Wish you all the very best and God bless you. I'm very proud of you. Many, many congratulations, Roots to Roots.
Dr. R. Balasubramaniam, Chairperson, Advisory Committee, Social Stock Exchange, SEBI. Sushri Amita Gupta, President, Roots to Roots. Sushri Juhi Chawla, Actor and Executive Member, Roots to Roots. Shri Jay Mehta, Industrialist. Other celebrities, distinguished dignitaries present here, good morning and a warm welcome to each one of you on this significant occasion of listing of Roots to Roots on the Social Stock Exchange platform of NSE. It is an honor to stand before you today as we add another non-profit organization on our journey of Social Stock Exchange at NSE, exploring the scope of Social Stock Exchange in reshaping the landscape of philanthropy and impact investing in our nation. I am pleased to reiterate that the vision planted by our Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, during the 2019 budget session of taking the capital markets closer to the masses and meet various social welfare objectives related to inclusive growth and financial inclusion has now become a reality. Social Stock Exchange of NSE is proud to welcome Roots to Roots as a sixth non-profit organization to get listed on its platform. This listing has raised funds of approximately Indian rupees 1 crore, which will enable Roots to Roots to implement a free digital teaching program on arts, culture, and heritage in 100 schools in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand by providing smart classroom equipments, musical instruments, training to teachers, and maintenance. NSE-listed companies have been agents of social impact through wealth creation, job creation, and overall economic growth through common persons' participations in the Indian markets. With the listing on Social Stock Exchange, this impact is going to increase manifold. This framework offers several advantages such as transparency, trust, efficiency, cost saving, discoverability, impact measurement, and outcome-based philanthropy. A special thanks to SEBI, who played a pivotal role in launching the Social Stock Exchange framework. SEBI has been proactive for Social Stock Exchange's success and has continued to make important changes such as reducing the minimum issue size down to rupees 50 lakh from rupees 1 crore and minimum application size to rupees 10,000 from rupees 2 lakh, which will go a long way in making this platform more conducive for social enterprises to mobilize funds effectively with a greater reach. NSE is also working with few stockbrokers to launch eIPO facilities for retail donors so that democratization of philanthropy can be achieved in true sense. I am pleased to share that we have already registered 58 NPOs, and amongst this, 7 have successfully raised funds over Indian 10 crore rupees to work across the developmental areas of education, skilling, agriculture, arts, culture, heritage, and poverty alleviation of tribal farmers. I once again congratulate the entire team of Roots to Roots and all other stakeholders who have been instrumental in this listing, and today's ceremony is a testament to their unwavering support and hard work. Let's celebrate this moment as it is another step forward in creating a more meaningful and greater social impact by using the platform of Social Stock Exchange in creating a better future together. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone here. Today is a landmark day for Roots to Roots as my team and I stand here at NSE getting listed. Before I go any further, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our executive members, to our advisors, to the art and culture fraternity, who have supported us throughout our journey, and some of them are present here. As the name suggests, Roots to Roots, meaning Raaste apni jadon tak. Our main object is to help people connect to their roots through culture. We believe that without art, there is no culture, and without culture, there is no society. We had always thought that listing was only for big corporates and companies. So when the Social Stock Exchange was created, it gave us an opportunity to become part of this historical occasion. The journey of reaching here was possible with the efforts of my team in the office and the support of the NSE, who helped us to get registered. Receiving the approval for fundraising from NSE was covered in-house by us. We are the first cultural NGO to be listed, which is very humbling for us, and also the first to be oversubscribed. We feel very proud and humbled by that. Thank you. Creation of SSE in India is an important step, which not only helps NPOs to raise funds from the capital market, but equally important for the NPOs to be responsible and transparent in utilization of the funds of the investors and donors, and the impact that it creates for the beneficiaries. So this will bring legitimacy to the NPOs and confidence to the investors and donors. Year 2024 is special in more ways than one for Roots to Roots. This year, we are celebrating 2 decades of bringing together people through the platform of art and culture. We are also recognized by the Limca Book of Records as the largest cultural education program. It will be remiss on my part not to thank the people who have made this possible. Our donors, Zerodha Broking, Dixon Technologies, ATE Chandra Foundation, Krishna Build Estates, Max Group, FE Securities, Nitin HUF. I would also like to thank Big Share, who have been guiding us till now, Eric's advisors and our bankers, Axis Bank. We at Roots to Roots will advise our partner and associate NGOs to get registered on the NSE, Social Stock Exchange platform, to be part of this ecosystem so that SSC succeeds in India. And to Mr. Balasurum, to add to what you had said about the tribal schools, we are already equipping the tribal schools of Andhra Pradesh, where we are doing these classes. So once again, I thank you all for taking out time and being here today. Thank you.
नाट्य शास्त्र के पुरस्थापक भरत मुनि को आदर सहित प्रणाम, जिन्होंने बड़े स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहा, न कोई ज्ञान, न कोई विद्या, न कोई योग, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो नाट्य शास्त्र के अंतर्गत नहीं है। रूट्स टू रूट्स नाट्य शास्त्र के सभी आयामों को भारत के विद्यार्थियों तक पहुंचाने का एक महत्वपूर्ण साधन है और जिसमें आप सभी का सहयोग श्लाघनीय है। सभा में उपस्थित मिस्टर आशीष चौहान जी, डॉक्टर बाला सुब्रमण्यम जी, जूही चावला जी, एहसान नूरानी जी, आर आनंद जी, श्री जय मेहता जी, साहिल भाई, सुदीप बनर्जी, सुदीप्तो सेन जी, डिप्टी कमिश्नर केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन मुंबई रीजन, हेड एकेडमिक यूनिट एटॉमिक एनर्जी एजुकेशन सोसाइटी, केंद्रीय विद्यालय IIT पवई, केंद्रीय विद्यालय भांडुप और एटॉमिक एनर्जी सेंट्रल स्कूल, मुंबई के सभी विद्यार्थी और शिक्षागण, हमारे सभी वेलविशर्स, पैट्रन्स और कला और संगीत को निरंतर आगे बढ़ाने के प्रयास करने वाले हमारे सारे दोस्त। रूट्स टू रूट्स का एक अपना पर्पस है जो अभी आपने मैडम टीना बचानी के उद्बोधन से सुना। निश्चित रूप से ये पर्पस हमारे वेद वाक्य को दोहराता है प्रतिक्षण, वेद स्वरूप ही गंधर्व, जो गंधर्व को, कला के विज्ञान को वेद के समकक्ष मानता है। लेकिन रूट्स टू रूट्स और स्टॉक मार्केट में क्या संबंध है? बाला सुब्रमण्यम जी ने इसको बड़े ध्यान से बताया भी, ये अशरज की बात है, लेकिन ये बहुत सच्ची बात है कि साहित्य और संगीत के बिना मनुष्य केवल पूंछ, नख और सींग के बिना पशु ही तो है। तो इस पशु को मनुष्य के रूप में स्थापित करने के लिए कला और संगीत, कला और संस्कृति को हम कभी छोड़ नहीं सकते। आप जितना भी चाहे पैसे कमा लें, जितना भी चाहे मेहनत कर लें, लेकिन वो सारी थकान अगर दूर होगी तो संगीत के स्वरों से होगी, नृत्य के थाप से ही होगी। इसलिए रूट्स टू रूट्स और नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का मिलन एक बहुत बड़ी कमी को पूरा करता है। कल्चर को बढ़ाने के लिए पैसा चाहिए और पैसा का उपयोग करने के लिए और हम मनुष्य बने रहें उसके लिए कल्चर चाहिए। आज का यूथ मेरे अपने 30 साल के शिक्षा के अनुभव में ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है कि सारी दुनिया लगी हुई है विद्यार्थी को केवल और केवल एकेडमिक सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर जोर देने के लिए। इंजीनियर बनना, डॉक्टर बनना, वकील बनना और ऐसे ही कुछ और पेशे, यही ज़िंदगी के सबसे बड़े मायने हैं। लेकिन आप देखते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा इंजीनियर बनने के बाद, बहुत अच्छा डॉक्टर बनने के बाद भी लोग डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हैं, अवसाद हो रहा है, ऑनेस्टी कम हो रही है, डिसिप्लिन कम हो रहा है। और इन सब के अगर कारणों की पड़ताल करेंगे तो आप पाएंगे कि जो चीज़ें हमारे जीवन में बिना कहे, बिना सूचना के, बिना किसी प्रयास के, दिखने वाले प्रयास के हमें डिसिप्लिन बनाती है, हमें ईमानदार बनाती है, हमें रसदार बनाती है, हमें बेसुरा होने से बचाती है, हमें रिदम के बारे में, एस्थेटिक सेंस के बारे में जागृत करती है, तो वो धीरे धीरे हमारे शरीर में, हमारे मस्तिष्क में, हमारे हृदय में पहुंचने वाली कला और संस्कृति के अलग अलग आयाम ही हो सकते हैं। अगर आप कहेंगे तो आप ये जरूर देखेंगे कि कला और संगीत के जरिए से हम उन विद्यार्थियों को भारतीय संस्कृति, हमारे इंडियन नॉलेज सिस्टम के विभिन्न आयाम, हम लोग सप्ताह भर में जो क्लासेस ऑनलाइन करते हैं और उसके बाद जब उनके स्कूलों में भी हम पहुँचते हैं, जहाँ की हम वर्कशॉप के मोड में उन्हें कला सिखाते हैं, तो निश्चित रूप से ये बच्चे अब साथ से और दुनिया की समस्याओं से कम मुक्त होना प्रयास करते हैं। आप सभी को आपके उदार पैट्रोनेज के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।